This is the footage of behind the progress installation of Schindler 5500s. The photo was taken on 20 September 2022. Later then, on 8 April 2023. The landing elevator, outer doors, and gang for hall operating panel were installed. So, what happened the after installation of extension elevator next?
Aku coba ya. First time I'm testing the elevators. That's a capacity to 20%, 600 kilograms. Wow. Logar mezzanine. There's a Lineon 300. These pictures. We are basement, aka longer mezzanine. Close up. We are inside. Nice cab. Still brand new. Nice floor here. We're an idol. Right. Let's get to one. Here we are, one. Okay, it's still not mirrored. Now we're inside the elevator. Let's go to time to test the speed measure. But not the apps. Elevator. Right. LGM. Semi capacity. That's 1 meter. It's like it's kind of one. These are the fixtures of Lineon 300. I received the letter LTM number here. Oh, yep. They start the eco mode. Okay, let's go back to lower ground. Let's see what's happening. It's moving. Still it's a lower ground. Yep. That's all there. And albeit